very good evening and welcome to the weekend news recap from Japra News by Japra Voice. I'm Tishini Dharniyagala and let's take a look at the headlines. Cabinet approved a memorandum of understanding with Pakistan on higher education development. An Ayurvedic medicine jointly developed by University of Sri Jayawardhanapura and University of Colombo to be launched soon. Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences in association with People's Bank restores Japra history. University of Sri Jayawardhanapura takes a step forward in promoting local entrepreneurship. A historic win for University of Sri Jayawardhanapura at CFS Sri Lanka Research Challenge 2020-2021. International Research Conference on Humanities and Social Sciences held for the 7th time from 18th onwards. Now for news in detail. The Cabinet has approved the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between Sri Lanka and the Islamic Republic of Pakistan to enhance the cooperation in the field of higher education. The Memorandum of Understanding has been approved between the Ministry of Education of Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka and the Higher Education Commission of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. The government of Pakistan has agreed to offer 800 full scholarships and 200 partial scholarships for undergraduates for a period of 5 years subject to the MOU. In addition, it is proposed to exchange 50 university students between the two countries for research, seminars, and other academic activities for a specified period of time. University of Sri Jayawardhanapura and University of Colombo have taken the first step towards the commercial launch of Sudarshana Paniya, an Ayurvedic medicine after years of research. Accordingly, an agreement was signed on the 9th of this month at the Vice-Chancellor's Office of the University with PM Hela Osulanka Private Limited, a leading manufacturer and distributor of Ayurvedic and herbal medicines in Sri Lanka. The event was attended by a number of invited guests representing University of Sri Jayawardhanapura, University of Colombo, and PM Hela Osulanka Private Limited. Sudarshana Paniya is an Ayurvedic medicine recommended for all types of fevers and colds, manufactured from scientifically proven antiviral effects. The Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences of University of Sri Jayawardhanapura, in collaboration with People's Bank, launched an e-banking student identity card on the 12th for the very first time in history. This student ID card allows undergraduates to withdraw money, make payments or purchases online, check on student grants, and engage in many other banking activities without any hassle. During the ceremony, the first student ID card was symbolically presented to a first-year undergraduate. The chairman of People's Bank, Mr. Sujiva Rajapaksa, Vice-Chancellor of University of Sri Jayawardhanapura, Senior Professor Sudanta Liyanage, Dean of the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, Professor Shiranta Heen Kinda, and other distinguished guests were present at the occasion. Our Super Center has been established under the guidance of the Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation of Department of Entrepreneurship of University of Sri Jayawardhanapura with the objective of promoting local entrepreneurship. It offers a wide range of organic and eco-friendly products and many other diversified services manufactured by Sri Lankan entrepreneurs. The Hours Super Center at 454 High Level Road, Panipitiya is open for you from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The CFA Sri Lanka Research Challenge, organized by CFA Sri Lanka for the 14th consecutive year, partnering with the Colombo Stock Exchange, Kaplan, and Acuity Group of companies concluded recently. After tough competition, Team A of University of Sri Jayawardhanapura became the winners, and the Team B of University of Sri Jayawardhanapura secured the first runners-up. 8 teams representing 6 state universities participated in the final round. The competition was held online, and the task of all teams was to prepare an investment report. The winning team received a cash prize of 200,000 rupees and will have the opportunity to participate in the upcoming Asia Pacific Sub-Regional Challenge representing Sri Lanka. 7th International Research Conference on Humanities and Social Sciences, that is IRCHSS, organized by the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences of University of Sri Jayewardenepura, was held for the 7th time. Accordingly, the conference was held on 18th and 19th of this month via online. This year's conference was organized under the theme Collaborate and Discover, Break the Barriers. Out of more than 205 research papers, 100 research papers were presented at the conference. The US Ambassador to Sri Lanka and Maldives, Elena Bittig-Blitz, and Chairperson of the University Grants Commission, Senior Professor Sampath Amaratunga, were the chief guests at the occasion. Vidyodaya Undergraduate Research Day, that is VERT 2021, organized by the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences of University of Sri Jayewardenepura, will be held this year under the theme Achieving Greatness in Intellectual Pursuit. The main objective of the program was to enhance the capabilities of final year undergraduates and to provide the opportunity to update and share the knowledge about field of humanities and social sciences. Various conferences on different subjects will be held from 19th March to 18th June. That's all the news we have this week, and stay tuned until we meet again. This is Japra News by Japra Voice, the university brand level of trusted news reporting. Good night and take care.